Twin Sisters. Once upon a time, in a small and friendly town, there were twin sisters named Emma and Lily. They were 8 years old and did everything together. Emma had curly brown hair and bright green eyes, while Lily had straight brown hair and blue eyes that sparkled like the sky. They loved each other very much and shared many happy times. One morning, Emma and Lily woke up to a big surprise. It was their birthday. They were turning 8 years old, and their parents had planned a special day just for them. The sun was shining and the birds were singing. The house was filled with the smells of pancakes, their favorite breakfast. After they finished eating, their parents told them the big news. They were going to the town fair. The fair was held every summer, and it was a place where people from the town came to have fun. There were many rides, games, and delicious foods. Emma and Lily had been looking forward to the fair for weeks. Emma and Lily quickly got dressed. Emma wore a pink dress with white dots, and Lily wore a blue dress with yellow stars. They looked at each other and smiled because they loved wearing matching clothes. They knew this day was going to be special. When they arrived at the fair, their eyes widened in amazement. The fairground was filled with colorful tents and bright lights. There were people everywhere, laughing and having a good time. The air was filled with the smell of popcorn and cotton candy. Emma and Lily were so excited they could hardly wait to start their adventure. Their parents gave them a map of the fairgrounds. It was a big piece of paper with pictures of all the different areas of the fair. Emma and Lily decided to start their day at the petting zoo. Emma loved animals and she wanted to see them up close. Lily loved animals too, but was especially excited about the rides. At the petting zoo, Emma and Lily saw many animals. Lily took lots of pictures of the animals. She made funny faces and tried to get the animals to smile. Emma and Lily laughed together as they watched the animals play and interact with each other. They spent a lot of time at the petting zoo and Emma felt very happy. Next, they decided to play some games. There were many booths where they could win prizes. Emma was good at a game where she had to toss rings onto bottles. Lily was great at a game where she knocked down cans with bin bags. They played several games and won many small prizes, including 2 stuffed animals. As the afternoon went on, Emma and Lily were getting a bit tired. They decided to take a break and eat some food. They chose hot dogs and fries, and for dessert, they had cotton candy. Emma loved the sweet, sticky candy that melted in her mouth, and Lily enjoyed her sugary treat just as much. After eating, they were ready for more fun. They went to a clown show where they watched funny clowns do tricks and make balloon animals. They were tired but very happy. They had so many wonderful memories from their special day. Their parents took them home and they talked about all the fun things they had done. When they got home, they put their stuffed animals on their beds and got ready for bed. Emma and Lily snuggled under their covers, still wearing their birthday dresses. They talked about their favorite parts of the day and how much fun they had at the fair. Emma and Lily knew that they would always remember this birthday. It was a day filled with fun, laughter, and adventure. They fell asleep with big smiles on their faces, dreaming about their next big adventure together. And so, Emma and Lily had a birthday they would never forget. They knew that as long as they were together, every day could be an adventure.